Welcome to your health channel, where we explore the secrets to living a long and healthy life. Today, we're diving into the food habits of the longest living people on the planet. From the Mediterranean to East Asia and beyond, we'll uncover the dietary practices and lifestyle choices that help these populations achieve remarkable longevity. Join us as we discover how these habits can make people forget to die. When it comes to living a long, healthy life, diet plays a crucial role. Let's travel around the world and explore the food habits of people in regions known for their high life expectancy and a significant number of centenarians. Ikaria, Greece. Known as the island where people forget to die, Ikaria has one of the highest percentages of centenarians. The average life expectancy is around 90 years, with many residents living well into their 90s and beyond. The Ikarian diet is rich in vegetables, legumes, whole grains, fruits, and olive oil. Ikarians consume moderate amounts of dairy, primarily from goat's milk, and eat fish sparingly. They also drink herbal teas and red wine in moderation. Meals are often enjoyed slowly and socially, contributing to both physical and mental well-being. Let's shift our focus to Okinawa, Japan. Okinawa is famous for its high concentration of centenarians, with the average life expectancy being 84 years for women and 78 years for men. Many Okinawans live into their 90s and even past 100. The Okinawan diet is plant-based, featuring sweet potatoes, soy products like tofu, and a variety of vegetables and fruits. Fish and lean meats are consumed in small quantities. A key aspect of their diet is the concept of hara hachi bu, which means eating until you're 80% full. This practice helps prevent overeating and maintains a healthy weight. Next is Sardinia, Italy. Sardinia, another blue zone, boasts a high number of centenarians. The average life expectancy is 82 years. The Sardinian diet includes whole grains, vegetables, legumes, and fruits. Meat is eaten in moderation, primarily on special occasions, with a focus on lean sources like fish and poultry. Dairy products, especially sheep's milk cheese, are a staple. Sardinians also drink red wine, which is rich in antioxidants, and their meals are often accompanied by physical activity and strong community ties. Next is Nicoya Peninsula, in Costa Rica. In Nicoya, the average life expectancy is 85 years. The diet is based on beans, corn, and a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. They consume a lot of whole grains and plant-based foods, with occasional meat and fish. The water in Nicoya is rich in calcium and magnesium, contributing to bone health. Physical activity is a natural part of daily life. And strong family and social networks provide mental and emotional support. Loma Linda, California, USA. Loma Linda is home to a community of Seventh-day Adventists, many of whom live significantly longer than the average American. The average life expectancy is about 87 years. Their diet is largely plant-based, emphasizing fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains. Many Adventists are vegetarians or vegans, and they avoid processed foods, caffeine, and alcohol. Regular physical activity, a strong sense of community, and a focus on spirituality and faith also contribute to their longevity. Vilcabamba, Ecuador. Known as the Valley of Longevity, Vilcabamba is renowned for its residents' long lives, with many living well into their 90s and 100s. The average life expectancy is around 85 years. The diet here is rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. The water in Vilcabamba is believed to have unique mineral properties that contribute to health and longevity. The lifestyle is active, and the community places a high value on relaxation and reducing stress. Hunza Valley, Pakistan. The people of Hunza Valley are famous for their remarkable health and longevity, with many reportedly living past 100 years. The average life expectancy is about 90 years. Their diet consists of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and yogurt. Apricots, in particular, are a staple in their diet, consumed both fresh and dried. They also drink glacial water, which is rich in minerals. The Hunza lifestyle is physically active, with a strong emphasis on community and social engagement. Acciaroli, Italy. A small village in southern Italy, Acciaroli boasts a high number of centenarians. The average life expectancy is around 85 years. The Mediterranean diet here is rich in rosemary, garlic, olive oil, fresh vegetables, and fish. The community values physical activity and social interactions, often gathering for meals and enjoying the outdoors. The local climate and clean air also contribute to their health and longevity. In summary, across these regions, some common themes emerge. Diets rich in plant-based foods, moderate consumption of lean proteins, minimal processed foods and sugars, and strong social connections. These habits not only contribute to physical health but also enhance mental and emotional well-being. Incorporating these practices into our own lives could help us improve our health and potentially extend our lifespan. It's not just about what we eat, but how we eat and live as part of a community. It's inspiring to see how simple, balanced diets and strong social ties can contribute to such remarkable longevity. That's all for today's episode on the healthy food habits of the longest living people. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave us a review. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to explore in future episodes. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a long, healthy, and happy life.